In today's episode, we're going to talk about the 5 most common leadership styles in business. Let's do this. Let's start with a definition of leadership. The best one I've come across is in David Rubenstein's excellent book, How to Lead. He says a leader is someone who makes something happen that wouldn't have happened otherwise. Now, let's talk about the 5 most common leadership styles in business. At the end of this, I'm going to ask you to identify which kind of leader you are, so stay tuned. The first is the visionary leader, someone who creates a vision of a better world based on the products or services they bring to market. These include Steve Jobs, Indra Nooyi, and Jeff Bezos. The second are the builders. These are people who take something that already is established and have the drive and smarts to build it into something bigger and better than before. These include Howard Schultz and Ginny Rometty. The third is the empathetic leader, someone who leads from a place of teamwork, culture, and partnering. These include Melinda Gates, Sheryl Sandberg, and Oprah Winfrey. The fourth are the disruptors, who tend to see the world as an imperfect place that can be fixed. These include Ruth Bader Ginsburg, Elon Musk, and Bill Gates. And the fifth is the sequential leader, who leads from a place of organization, attention to detail, and careful planning. These include Tim Cook, Marilyn Houston, and Robert Smith. So those are the 5 most common leadership styles in business: visionary, builder, empathetic, disruptor, and sequential. So which of these best fits your leadership style? Are you a visionary, a builder? Are you empathetic, a disruptor? Or are you a sequential leader? There's no right or wrong answers to that question, but understanding your style, as well as the style of those around you, can make you a better executive, a better manager, and a better leader. If you like what you saw today, click on this video for more episodes like this one, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. My name is Jamie Turner. I'm an author, a speaker, and a CEO, and I'll catch you next time.